Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look here again at Fetch.AI. Looks like we did actually come down here to perform this bearish backtest, this lower level, but the price action recovered instantly because Bitcoin recovered from what, 67,000 to 69,500 in roughly 8 hours or less this morning. So again, that is pushing the price action higher for this coin. So we got to recognize while it looks nice and good here, it's not necessarily out of the woods yet. Okay, a lot of altcoins, I want to preface that and let you know that that is the case. The main reason why, too, just to kind of throw it out there, Bitcoin dominance is still on the rise. Okay, when this happens, Bitcoin basically just an indication that altcoins are dumping. And there's a kind of this inverse pairing right now where Bitcoin goes up and alts are going down. So please recognize that this is not the strongest recovery as it should be, mainly because of that factor kind of flowing in, because there's just an outflow of profits from altcoins going right into Bitcoin. Generally what's happening right now. All right, so if you're new to the channel, comment below, like, subscribe, and follow. Absolutely appreciate that. Hopefully you can learn something. I've got a trading academy, community, and signals group if you want to become a better trader. Link down below for that. We do have additional slots available first of the month, just so you know if you cannot get registered there. I know we're getting close to our maximum occupancy. So what we want to look at here is 2.4, $2.40, heavy level liquidation. We do have some liquidation at about $2.10. Those are late longs, but we got some early shorts that are still likely in profit, but for some reason can't seem to secure profit. They're still holding their positions open there. Okay, so again, a lot of momentum, if you will, or more so just, a contributing factor for the price to go higher than lower because of that. Okay, again, anybody who's been shorting the top here in this range has been fairly successful. Okay, that's generally the concept there. Having said all that, let's look at the daily time frame, work our way down. By the way, this X on the chart, this is just kind of a confirming factor that I was looking for, which we obviously don't have, had the price continued higher up there and broke the range to the upside. That's what that would have looked like. Again, we can redraw this out. Of course, the X will change, or the target will change, entry target, depending on confirmation. And I always like to provide that for you, so just be sure to understand that moving forward here. And future reference too, I do post my playout charts on my Twitter, Telegram, Discord. They look a little something like this for every chart that I analyze. So you can follow me there if you want. I've got YouTube and TikTok shorts now too. So pick your poison, whatever works best for you. I would recommend the Discord though, just because it's the most interactive. You can communicate with me and other traders throughout the day, whenever you want. It's really cool. Okay, so Fetch.AI daily time frame, where are we at? Well, we're below, not great. We're below 4 moving averages, or sorry, 3 of the important ones. The 200's way down below. We don't need to worry about that for now. But being below the 50-day SMA is not a great sign. Now, this doesn't mean that the price is going to continue to shoot down because we're below it right now. It just kind of tells us that, hey, we're not in a good position here to feel comfortable about taking along. It's exactly why I had my X marks the spot up here higher as a potential entry to give us confirmation above this range-bound activity we're seeing at that 0.5 fib level. So to me personally, $2.35 or higher is going to give us the confirmation we're looking for to take along with confidence. Having said that, we're still under 50 in the RSI. That would also be higher if we're above that $235 mark. Same thing with MACD. It would probably be slightly converging by then too if we get up to that level. So the truth is here, the daily time frame doesn't look bullish at all, but it's not like it's dramatically bearish. It's kind of like right on the edge of potential greatness. Okay, so again, a lot of coins are like that right now. They're on the edge of greatness, or keep in mind, disaster is the inverse there. That could very well be the case. But now that this lower level liquidity has been swept, there's a solid chance the price could recover and rally back to the 235 mark. 4-hour time frame tells us we're right smack dab underneath every single moving average, right there at that point of control at about $2.25. Now again, it's a very short-term point of control. If we look at the most recent time frame since April 13th, when the price dropped super hard for every single coin in the market, 225 is still that common denominator. That's that number where everybody has the most amount of involvement or purchasing and or selling pressure at that level. Having said that, we're still under 50 in the RSI here. Not great, getting better. Stochastic RSI swinging up, also not great considering we're getting stopped out here. And then the MACD is also converging. So there is more favorable stuff here, but the key takeaway here is that we're not, this is nothing to celebrate, okay? Just gonna be honest with you. So no, sometimes folks will comment below, hey, where's the price prediction? Well, the truth is the prediction right now is that this is not a great coin to trade. The anticipation is 235 is what we're looking for ultimately. However, if we do look at this here, again, this is range-bound activity. A lot of times we get some false positives. We have zero reasons to want to take a trade because we're A, under the cloud, B, lag and spend's not free and clear, and even though we got good, good momentum, we're still getting stopped out at this point of control at 225. So all the more reason why 235 is that exact area in which we want to close above in order to have a leg to stand on. Preferably, we see the daily candlestick close at 235 or higher. In a perfect world or imperfect world, you can see maybe 1 or 2 4-hour candles above that level. Something to show that we've broken that level and we've performed a bullish backtest. Okay, we're looking for this. This is what we look for. That's the entry there. When the price comes back to the retest that level, you don't just FOMO into this here. You make sure it comes back down to retest this first. That's what we're looking for. And so we're not there yet. And that's okay, folks. Nothing wrong with that. We'll just go ahead and pay attention to this. I'm going to post this playout chart on our Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and everything else that might be appropriate for you. And I deeply appreciate you watching nonetheless. Feel free to like the video if you could, please. Obviously, grow the channel, get this in front of more people who deserve it, and get this in front of more people who should stop getting destroyed by 50 to 100x leverage trades. Folks, we trade a lot of different coins, like RDNT, for example. 20 days ago, we took a trade. We just secured 67% on a 5x leverage trade. RDNT, same thing here as well. Actually, that's the same trade. When we look at near protocol, for example, 13%, Bitcoin 30, Harmony 1, Solana. While the profits aren't massive, they are still very, very consistent, and we're not getting destroyed left and right because of it. Okay, majority of my traders, as long as they follow my instruction, are profiting every single month. And it may not be monumental growth, but it's not disastrous losses. Okay, you got to recognize that. All right, anyways, consistency is key. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.